Sustainable development contributes to the principle of mankind living in harmony with nature. Aromawitch is a socially responsible company, constantly innovating, designing and manufacturing stylish international and valuable products. We use eco-friendly packaging to relieve pressure in the environment, recycle glass beautiful flowers. We use new sustainable formula coconut wax, soy wax and disposable palm oil. We can produce candles with Nordic Swan ecolabel scents. We insist on clean production and green manufacturing in vegan production. Each product under strict quality control and test process to ensure the high quality and clean burning. The wonderful fragrance of plants is the best gift from nature. Essential oil is extracted directly from plants. Essential oil candles bring you wellness.